In national news today, we're following the unraveling of a plea deal for Hunter Biden, and there are many questions swirling about how the president's son's legal issues will end.
This morning in a Delaware federal courtroom, the judge brought up concerns about Biden's plea agreement. News4JAX reporter Scott Johnson has been looking into the political and legal ramifications of this development and joining us now in studio. Scott?
Kent, Hunter Biden was expected to plead guilty to 2 misdemeanors stemming from failure to pay taxes. That plea deal has been a source of contention with the Republicans who claim he was getting special treatment, but the judge is raising multiple concerns over the deal being confusing, particularly on a gun charge of him possessing a firearm in 2018 as a drug user.
I sat down with Shannon Schott. She's a local criminal defense lawyer.
Schott says the judge is worried about whether Hunter Biden's plea deal was constitutional.
So basically, the judge advised the parties that she didn't know if the deal was constitutional, and she was quoted as saying that it might be a violation of the separation of powers. So without having the specifics of her rationale with that, her goal is to ensure that this sentence was legal, that it's constitutional, and that it meets the ends of what a federal judge is trying to do in any given sentencing hearing.
Is this unusual?
It's not unusual for a judge to reject a plea, especially in federal court.
It's possible the two sides could rework the deal in a manner that's acceptable to the judge. But News4JAX political analyst Rick Mullaney says Republicans want this legal drama to continue as long as possible.
Politically, the Republicans want this to drag on. They want the headlines. They want further revelations. On the Democrats, just the opposite. They want to bring it to a conclusion. They want to get it off the front page.
One lingering issue is this backed Hunter Biden into pleading not guilty instead of the guilty plea that was expected. Mullaney says no matter what happens in court, the Hunter Biden headlines will remain as House Republicans continue pushing for investigations into his business dealings. If a deal is struck and the process is finished, does it get off the front page?
This is not going away. Even if the deal had gone through today, this is not going to leave the front page. The investigation is not going to end. This is ongoing.
During the proceeding, the judge also asked Hunter Biden when the last time he had used drugs or alcohol was and whether he was receiving treatment. He answered June 1st of 2019 and that he's not currently in treatment but is part of an anonymous support program. Joy?
Scott, thanks.